To create a scatter plot, click Add Workbench and click the scatter plot symbol. Our current dataset contains tweets, and we would like to create a scatter plot that shows the number of retweets and the number of likes of each tweet. To do this, drag retweet count to the x-coordinate drop zone. Then drag like count to the y-coordinate drop zone. Tweets are now displayed as dots in the scatter plot. The horizontal axis shows the number of retweets, and the vertical axis shows the number of likes. To label the dots, select the field with the data you want to use as labels. In this case, the message field, which contains the text of the posts. Drag it to the Display as Labels drop zone. We would like to use colors to display the tweet type, so we drag Type to the Color by Value drop zone. The labels are shown along with the X and Y coordinates when hovering over a dot. You can zoom into areas of interest, for example the dense areas of the plot. Click a dot to select it and drag it to a different workbench if you want to work with it there.